Introducing the DRVETIE Folding 750W electric bike, a versatile and powerful e-bike built for convenience, performance, and adventure. Powered by a 750W motor, this folding electric bike offers impressive torque and speed, reaching up to 45 km/h, with the option to adjust to 25 km/h for local regulations. Equipped with a 48V Samsung 2170050E lithium battery, available in 3 capacities, 10R, 15R, and 20R, this bike ensures extended mileage with pure electric ranges of up to 80 km and pedal assist ranges reaching 120 km. It charges efficiently with a 100-240 V2A charger and comes with a European standard round plug. The DRVETIE Folding E Bike features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that provides durability without compromising on weight. The 20x4.0-inch CST fat tires offer excellent traction and stability on various terrains, while the 30 degrees incline capability ensures smooth rides on hilly roads. With a large color LCD display, you can easily monitor your speed, battery life, and other key performance metrics. Safety is enhanced with disc brakes and a 3-speed gear system, allowing you to maintain full control on your ride. The folding design makes it highly portable, ideal for commuters and travelers alike, while its lightweight 25.5 kg frame, excluding the battery, makes it easy to transport. Available in a sleek white finish, the DRVETIE Folding 750W electric bike is a top choice for urban commuting, off-road adventures, and everything in between.